Attention is powerful, even when we don't notice how we're using it. What you dwell on grows louder. What you revisit gains weight. And over time, focus quietly shapes how life feels. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote offers a simple reminder about where your energy is going and what that energy creates. What you focus on expands. Choose what deserves your attention. This quote reminds us that attention is not neutral. Wherever it rests, it adds momentum. When focus lingers on worry, problems feel larger. When it stays on irritation, tension multiplies, not because life changed, but because attention fed one part of the experience more than another. Choosing focus doesn't mean denying difficulty. It means deciding what deserves your limited energy. When attention is guided intentionally, perspective shifts. Gratitude becomes more visible. Solutions feel closer. Calm has space to grow. Focus doesn't erase reality, it shapes how you relate to it. Awareness is the turning point. Once you notice where your attention habitually goes, you regain choice. You can redirect without force. You can nourish what steadies you instead of amplifying what drains you. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. Notice one thought or situation that keeps pulling your attention. Ask yourself whether it deserves that much energy. If not, gently redirect focus towards something supportive or grounding. Carry that intention with you as the day unfolds. Your attention is valuable. When you choose it wisely, clarity and calm naturally expand. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Attention shapes experience. And clarity grows where focus is placed. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.